Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable incognito mode on YouTube. So let's dive right in. First, open up the YouTube app on your phone. And now, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. And now, simply scroll through these options. To enable incognito mode, simply tap on Turn on Incognito. Once you do this, YouTube will switch to incognito mode and your activity will not be saved to your account. You will see a message at the bottom confirming that you are browsing incognito. To disable incognito mode, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner again. And now, simply tap on Turn off Incognito. This will switch you back to your regular YouTube account and your activity will be recorded as usual. And that's it. That's how you enable or disable incognito mode on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.